Here are my couple of trades taken on Sunday, March 23rd. This is gold trade. You can see here for this much on the 23rd, March 23rd. And the other one I closed already is Euro Yen on the 23rd for this much, right? So these are the couple of trades just on Sunday as soon as the market opens up. Last week, using the same system, and the system is called Creative IB System, which I created long time ago, and I'm using it. So look, using the same system last week, 24 trades. All of this, one, two, three, four, and then you can see the amount. Like for example, this one, gold, last week on Friday, for this much, right? So this one, and then yeah, look at this gold again. This one on the 20th, right? So this system, you can see the system has four rules, right? And every single trade is according to the system. So 24 trades last week, and then week before, all of these trades last week. And the week before is 28 trades taken, same system. Look at that, right? Same entries, exactly by the book entries. This one here, see, euro yen for this much. And this pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, this system is very, very good for yen pairs, especially. But then again, you can trade Nasdaq, gold, anything at all that you can open in MT4. And most of these trades are taken by my EA expert advisor. I'm using that. By using that, the trade that expert advisor is a robot, right? It's right here. Let me show you. This is the one, and it opens the trade automatically. So once I have my determination that okay, this is the where this thing is going. For example, gold, right? It's going to go down. Then what I do is that I put my EA there on the chart, the entry chart, and then these are the specification on that EA. It's a long, short, long only, short only. You can select stop loss, how much you want, take profit, how much you want, pips to move to break even, and the large size and the alarm if you want or not. So a lot of options here. So what I do is I put this EA on that thing on the chart, and that's it. So if I see that okay, GU is gonna drop or GJ is gonna drop, then I'll put this EA on that, make it short only, and that's it. And I look at the other way, right? And later on, if there is a setup, there's a trade, then the EA is gonna open the trade automatically, put the SL to break even, all of that, and I'll have it. So this is what the system is all about, and this is the EA that I'm using to get all these trades. So if you are interested, you want to get this system, you want to learn about it, and you want to get it, then come on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com. I also have this one-on-one coaching here. If you are new to this business, one-on-one coaching, I have 10-hour course here, which I will teach every single thing in which like everything this trading business has to offer over the Zoom in 10 hours. So you become master of not only this system, but this whole trading business, including Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, this, that, so trend line, SNR level, especially how to use the Fibonacci tool properly for the best results. All right. So this is it for now. Hope to see you in my group soon. Like I said, that this is, just click on the link for my website, come here and join. You have different options here. Just surf on the website and see which one is the best option for you. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful new week. Weekend is over. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.